Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into part 6 of a fantastic 10-part tutorial called Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life, a friendly guide. It sounds like science fiction, I know, but we're going to see how it's actually a highly practical, everyday tool. If you've been hearing the letters AI on the news or from your grandkids and wondered what all the fuss is about, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to demystify this together.
And I want to note that this excellent material comes to us from Virtualization Options, LLC, a Colorado-based technology research, education, and advisory organization. They've designed this specific chapter, Chapter 6, entirely around older adults, proving that you absolutely do not need a computer science degree to benefit from modern tools. They make it totally friendly and non-technical.
Here's our agenda for today. 1. AI in everyday life. 2. How AI actually learns. 3. Understanding generative AI. 4. Preparing for doctor visits. And 5. Staying safe and curious.
Section 1. AI in everyday life. Familiar tools.
Okay, let's strip away all those wild Hollywood movies and crazy news headlines for a second. At its core, AI is simply a computer program that learns from experience and helps you do things. That's literally it. You need absolutely no technical background to understand this. It is just a helpful program designed to make your daily tasks a little bit easier.
In fact, you've likely been using AI successfully for years without even realizing it. You know when you sit down and Netflix magically recommends a movie you end up loving? Yep, that's AI. When you're texting a friend and your phone automatically fixes a pesky spelling mistake? AI again. Or think about when you're driving and Google Maps suddenly reroutes you around a massive traffic jam to save you 10 minutes. That is artificial intelligence, quietly working in the background to make your life smoother.
Section 2. How AI actually learns. The recipe for success.
So you might be wondering, how does this invisible everyday helper actually figure out what to do or suggest? Well, AI learns by studying millions of examples. Older traditional computer programs were super rigid, just strict rules. But AI, we feed it massive amounts of information. It looks at all that data, finds patterns, and actually learns from those patterns to make decisions.
It's exactly like how you learn to cook your signature meal, right? You didn't just read a textbook once and instantly become a master chef. You learn by watching others, by practicing, maybe adding a little too much salt one time and correcting it the next. You learn from experience over the years. AI does the exact same thing, just incredibly fast, by reviewing millions of digital experiences.
Section 3. Understanding generative AI, your new assistant.
Now here is where things get really fun. Everyday AI, as we just saw, suggests a route or a TV show based on past habits, but generative AI goes a magical step further. It actually creates entirely new, customized things for you. It can write a personalized letter, answer a complex question in a simple way, or even describe what's in a photo. It generates something brand new, just for you. You can really just think of it as a tireless assistant ready to help day or night. Tools like ChatGPT act like a super knowledgeable friend or a dedicated helper who never, ever sleeps. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., this assistant is always ready to brainstorm ideas, explain a confusing topic, or help you draft an email.
And talking to this assistant is a breeze. You use something called a prompt. A prompt is simply a question or a request that you type in plain English to get a response from an AI. There's no computer code required whatsoever. It is exactly like texting a friend or a family member. You just type what you want to know, hit send, and it responds.
Section 4. Preparing for doctor visits, practical magic. Let's look at a real-world example. Preparing for a doctor's appointment can be super overwhelming, but your new assistant can help. You can literally open ChatGPT and type, "What question should I ask my doctor about high blood pressure?" Or, if you see a confusing term on a medical chart, ask, "What does atrial fibrillation mean?" You could even ask it to explain Medicare Part D in simple terms. The AI will instantly give you a clear, plain language breakdown, equipping you to have a much better conversation with your physician.
Now, quick caveat here, and this is absolutely crucial. AI is a helpful starting point, but always confirm medical decisions with your actual doctor. While AI is fantastic for translating jargon and brainstorming questions, it is an educational tool to help you prepare. It is definitely not a replacement for professional medical advice.
Section 5. Staying safe and curious, enjoying the journey.
As you start exploring, it's important to stay vigilant. AI is mostly wonderful, but just like any technology, some people do misuse it for scams. The key to protecting yourself is simply learning to recognize the tricks. If an email or message sounds too good to be true or urgently asks for personal financial information, take a step back. Trust your gut and use your common sense, just as you always have.
But please, don't let scams deter you from jumping in. Be patient with yourself. Learning anything new takes a little time, especially technology. Just remember that every single question you ask is a great question. You've absolutely got this, and you are entirely capable of mastering this tool.
I want to leave you with this beautiful thought from the guide. The best is yet to come, and AI is here to help you enjoy it. This technology isn't here to replace human connection or make life more complicated. It's here to empower you, to translate the confusing stuff, and to ultimately enhance your journey.
So, knowing that you already have the life experience to understand it and the basic skills to use it, how will you use your new tireless assistant today? What's the very first prompt you're going to type? Will you ask for a recipe, decode a medical term, or maybe just have it write a nice poem for a friend? The possibilities are literally endless. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and have so much fun exploring.